A lot of our customers have national agreements with electrical distribution companies, and we have partnerships with all those companies. You can find us in your system. Just look us up under Back to Earth Energy Incorporated. We're doing business as LED in Action. And some of the top selling products right now is our 1,000-watt LED equivalent. We have a high voltage line, so 600 volt direct, 480 volt, 347 volt. We also have a top selling crane light. It's a 250 VDC crane light. We have our high lumen output fixture, so 96,000 lumens. It's only 32 pounds. Another one of our top sellers is our high temperature rated fixture up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 100 degrees Celsius. And this high temp fixture is also rated for hazardous locations. Then we have an NSF high bay, very good for food plants, meat packing plants. It's 30,000 lumens and it's IP69K. So we primarily work with the heavy industrial market like the steel industry, paper and food packaging, chemical industries. So with 8 local LED in Action reps across the country, we'd love for the opportunity to drop by your branch. We want to make the introduction, see if our products are a good fit to help you fill some of the gaps and some of the holes and create a new revenue stream for you within your industrial accounts. Reach out to us today. You can email us at sales@ledinaction or give us a call at 855-264-8600 and we can set up the appointment from there.